Ever wondered what it takes to excel in lead generation and data entry? It's about connecting the dots, understanding the market, and implementing innovative strategies. Who better to guide us through this labyrinth than Hamza, CEO of a top-notch lead generation company and a renowned data entry expert? Hamza's journey began with a simple desire: to help businesses thrive. But he understood that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience, persistence, and a keen understanding of the industry. He poured his energy into mastering the art of lead generation and data entry, and today, he stands as a testament to the power of determination and hard work. Output. When it comes to lead generation, Hamza advises, understanding your target audience is the key. You need to know their needs, their pain points, and how your product or service can solve their problems. This understanding provides a solid foundation for generating high-quality leads. But Hamza didn't stop at lead generation. He also delved into the world of data entry, recognizing its role in maintaining accurate, reliable business information. His advice? Accuracy is paramount in data entry. Even the smallest error can have significant repercussions. So always double-check your work and ensure you have robust systems in place to catch any potential errors. Over the years, Hamza has honed his skills, developing innovative strategies and a hands-on approach that has propelled his company to success. His journey is a testament to the power of dedication, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. As we wrap up, remember this: success in lead generation and data entry is about more than just understanding the market. It's about having the determination to constantly learn, innovate, and improve. And Hamza's journey is a shining example of this. His story is not just about his achievements as a CEO, but also about his expertise and dedication to lead generation and data entry. So, whether you're looking to boost your sales pipeline or seeking expert guidance in these fields, remember Hamza's story. Let it inspire you to reach new heights in your own journey.